Hey y'all, it's Alec and I want to thank y'all coming back to our channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to talk about sewer hose supports. Now we've been living full-time on the road for the last 6 years, traveling the country in our 2019 Tiffin Open Road. And in that 6 years, I have bought 3 Camco Sidewinders. They keep failing. So I'm trying something new today. I am replacing my Sidewinder with a new company, and I'll show that to you in a minute. But let me pull up the Sidewinder and show you what one of the problems have been. So if you don't know, sewer hose support is this device that runs underneath the sewer hose, and it keeps the hose at a slant so that when you dump your tanks, your gray matter or your black matter will flow down to the sewer hose connection. Now I use the Rhino hoses. Those have been the best that I have found. In 6 years, this is my second set of hoses, which I think is really good depending on, or because of the elements that they're out in. But as you can see right here, this is already broken. And so I'm going to pull it up and I'll show you what I'm going to try to replace it with. So basically it just sits on the ground underneath the hose. And then see, I'm trying to lift it, but this one here is completely broken out. It's broken on both sides. So I don't even think the holder will hold it together anymore. But I've got the holder right here. And the way the holder works is on the small side, you stick it in the front, and then you pull the back together, and you stick it in these slots. As you can see, because the panel is broken, it won't stay together, and the hose, there you go. That's the frustrating. So the holder won't hold it together anymore. At the campgrounds, you've got all kinds of different terrain. With this one, you can pop out these supports, and it's got 10 adjustments. You can adjust it to any height you need for your terrain. That is a huge, huge advantage over the Sidewinder. Now you can get this product in 2 different colors. You can get it in orange and in black. I chose to order mine in orange, and I'll put a link to this one and the Sidewinder down in the description. But I chose to order orange because it's going to be more visible when people are actually walking by your camper. I think in low light conditions, I'd be less likely to have someone trip over this orange holder over the black one. So let's go install it. So this is super easy to install, just like the Sidewinder, except for with the Sidewinder, you've got that plastic piece that you have to pull out and do. This one to open, you just push in the 2 tabs. The strap falls off. You put that aside to store at a later date. And then what I do is I stretch it out in the area that I'm going to put it. And then you just lift the sewer hose up and stick it in the slots. Now this is a little bit narrower, which I actually like because it holds the hose in a tighter, more snug fit. So there you go. It's installed. The sewer hose fits in there nicely, and everything's at a good level to where the water will flow evenly. So we'll come back maybe in 6 months to give you an update on how well the sewer hose support does. But I was going to try to save the other one, but it's not savable, and it's only a little over a year old. So hopefully this one does much better. Check the links down below. I believe right now the Kohree has a 5% discount on it, but I'll put the link down below, and thank y'all for watching, and I hope your sewer hose is supported like mine.